Hey Crafts and Curls, this is part 2 of our spoolie roller set. I did a live over on YouTube. In case you missed the install, you can watch it there. But this is the takedown. So I am winding and unwinding them and it looks good. I think it looks good, but let's just keep going and see what else we have. So we are unsnapping them and winding, and that's a cute curl. Just checking to see if it's dry. It's dry. It just ought to be. It's been a couple of days because we've been sick, but we are now taking them down and I love it. I love the bounce. Look at that. Springing right back into form. So amazing. I like the winding action so that way I get the spiral looking curl and they're so bouncy. This is the other side, so we're winding it the opposite direction. That is such a cute curl. I love it. Can you tell? Unsnapping them and just winding them down. Unsnap. This is the other side, so I'm winding it in the opposite direction. I've seen some people just pull them out. I like to unsnap it and wind it, but maybe they pull them out for this reason. We split the spoolie. That's okay. There's plenty more where that came from. One spoolie, don't stop, no show. These curls are so cute. I'm going to keep going, but I'll be back. And voila. Look at the oh, wait. We still got a spoolie back here. I have to take the last one out. So cute. So cute. Wait, we got another spoolie over here. These things were hidden. Oh my goodness, I think that's all. That should be it for now. So bouncy and so fluffy. Shake, shake, shake. I love it. You can still see my texture from these spoolies. It's not as smooth as a flexi rod set or even using the curl formers. You can still see my texture in my hair. And it's probably because it's the first time that we've used them and you can't get, or I couldn't get, as much tension on the curler. So I'm going to fluff with my Curl Mix serum on my fingers so that I can gently take them apart. So some I'm taking apart more than others, but I want to take them apart where my hair naturally separates because I have the texture in my hair, which I think it still looks amazing. It doesn't have to be totally straight for me, but I have extra curl and texture. So I have the best of both worlds in my own opinion. Janae looks amazing. So some of them I'm separating more than others and then just fluffing them so the curls can pop back into place the way they are naturally curling. And I really don't care which direction the curls fall in because I'm going for a voluminous look. I want to have more volume in this style. It's really a big curly afro. Janae is sporting a big curly afro in her last style curlers roller set style for April. If you've been watching our 2024 curl vlog, you'll know that every month has a theme. April has been the month of roller sets with the month of curly styles. This is our last one and it has been a nice, fun, curly ride. So one of the things that I learned with the spoolies is, woo, fluffing is great. Fluffing is fun. Fluffing is so much fun. The tension on the spoolies, you don't get as much tension. You can't roll them as tight. So you will have texture in your curls, but that's okay because I think it looks absolutely amazing. I love it. I love it. This is my spoolie set. I think I like it. Cute.